Hey, welcome to the inside of my van. This is the first YouTube tutorial I've done. I've done a few videos before, but I've never spoken to them. I do a lot of drone stuff and gone as what. If you look for my channel, you see the stuff I do. So a lot of you have been asking about my awning. Yes, I made it myself. It is easy to do. All the parts I got from Wix. You can get it from Homebase, but I did get it from Wix. The canvas I've got off eBay. I'll put a link in the bottom. It wasn't very dear, it's about £23 for 6 meters I got, I needed. Yeah, so here we go. You're going to need 4 paint rolling poles. They are £7.75 each and about 2 meters long. Right, and you're going to need a C channel. I use a C channel because it's nice and light, it's one piece, no messing around. The poles, they fit inside the C channel nice and tight. The size I didn't have to cut. It is 2,700mm long and it's about 50mm wide. I just bolted them in basically, that's all I did. Did 2 holes to the end and just bolted them together. I used a piece of angled alloy which was £14.95. I bolted the poles to this as well, and I use this for the legs. I did use wing nuts for this, just so you can hand tight it so it don't fall over. Makes it easier. So this is what it looks like on the van. As you can see, it doesn't stick out, it's not too high. I fitted 2 right angle brackets and they just bolted to where the roof rack goes. Because I've got a roof bar, I'll put 2 straps on just for extra security. You don't need it, it's strong enough anyway, but just in case. I made this zipped sleeve so the awning fits inside it. And I've got these 3 straps holding it all together. As you can see, the poles are bolted in on the ends. If I was to do this again, what I would do, I would get a 3-inch piece of tubing, drill a hole through it so it pivots, then I will attach the pole to it via a piece of rubber, so you've got a bit more flexibility. As you can see, it fits inside the bag. They fit in there quite nice and tight. Then you just unroll it. The poles do fit into each other, so job done. It is a bit awkward doing this one-handed with the GoPro in the hand. But there you go, there's a pole bolt onto the C channel. I've got the edge of the tarp, well, canvas straps on so don't blow around. Tip, if you're going to do this, make sure it's not too windy, because look what happened. Ah! Fail! Yeah, on a windy day you're going to need to pin it down. It's like a big sail. I was going to do the same thing but use a tarp. There's no sewing involved. Yes, I made a few mistakes while I was doing it. It's a learning curve, you're getting. Yeah, so basically I made the bag for the awning too small. I just cut it and extended it. I didn't want to buy any more material, I just used what I had. Once the frame was built, I measured it, allowed a bit extra for the material, and I got to sew in. So the fabric I bought comes on a roll, which is 150 centimeters wide. I ordered 6 meters of that. I cut the fabric to length, then I just sewn the 2 pieces together and just measured it up, just cut off the rest. I did cut it too long, so when you pull the poles out I couldn't get enough tension on the canopy, so I just cut it off and put it back on again. I did glue it onto the angle iron and onto the back. I also put a few rivets with washers just to hold it in place a bit better, but it holds on fine. Oh, in case you're wondering, I'm a coach driver and I'm at work at the moment. This is the baby. Imagine turning this into a camper. 9 miles per gallon. Well, that's me finished work for today. I'm on my way home. The video's come to an end. I hope it's okay for you. I'm sorry I didn't video it as I was making it. Didn't think it'd be so popular, to be honest. Please feel free to look at the rest of my videos. I'm into my photography and my drone work, so I do it as a hobby. YouTube channel's not very popular. I've only got 10 subscribers. 10! Maybe you can make it a little bit more. Please click the subscribe button, like button. See you out on the road somewhere.